Hello guys, welcome to live intraday trading. Today is 15 January, time is 9:17 a.m. This is HDFC Bank chart, and here you can see I have shorted 50 quantities at an average price of 1461. Right now it is trading near my cost price only, and I am expecting a fall in HDFC Bank today. Let's see what happens, guys. It has made a big white candle on the first tick of chart. That's why I am expecting a nice dip in HDFC, and here you can see HDFC Bank is falling. Right now it is at 1457. It is breaking supports now. 1456. Now I am in profit of around 270 rupees. So guys, you can see I am placing target for HDFC Bank at 1450 for booking my profit. It is showing weakness on chart. It has broken levels. Guys, I have bought 14,200 PE at a price of 57 rupees. As Nifty has started to fall, so I have bought a PE in Nifty. You can see it is going above the moving average, but I will quickly book profit in put option of Nifty, because in option the premium decays very fast, so we should quickly enter and exit the position. We should not hold the position in option buying. Let's see what happens, guys. This is 15 minutes. I am checking bigger time frames also. Let's see, guys. I'm waiting for the up move on my side in this put option. Guys, I have booked partial profit in HDFC Bank at 1455 level. Now I am checking chart of Nifty. So it is taking support near previous day low. This is hourly chart. It is also taking support at the moving average line. Let's see. Still I am expecting a fall in Nifty. That's why I am holding the put option. On hourly chart you can see it is making a bearish engulfing candle, so we may expect a big fall in Nifty today. But in option buying we should not hold the position for long time, because the theta decays fast and the premium falls. Guys, you can see I have booked profit in option at 59 rupees, and now I am only holding the HDFC Bank, and now I am in profit of around 400 rupees. HDFC had made a low of 1454. I booked the partial profit in HDFC Bank as it was reversing from 1455. So now remaining quantity I will book around 1450 levels. Let's see, guys, what happens. You can see the premium of put option has fallen to 51. That's why I booked the profit quickly. Now I'm waiting in HDFC Bank and looking for some more trades. Let's see if I can find or not. Till then I will wait with patience. Guys, you can see HDFC Bank has fallen to 1450, and I took one more trade in Nifty 14,300 put option, and I've got a profit of 108 rupees. I was not able to record the trade, guys, and you can see it has made a low of 1450, almost reached my target. I placed at 1450.48. Here you can see I have closed the position in HDFC Bank, guys. Guys, this is chart of Bajaj Finance, and you can see I have shorted 10 quantities here at an average of 8776, and currently it is running in loss of 85 rupees. You can see it has made a pattern like double top. That's why I have shorted it. My stop loss will be above the green candle. If the high of the green candle breaks, I will exit this position. Guys, time is 10:38, and Bajaj Finsam has taken out my stop loss, and I have got a loss of 227. And you can see I have shorted 100 quantities in ICICI Bank at 545. In this trade, I will average out some more quantity if I get upside in ICICI Bank near 546.80 level. So guys, I have increased my quantity to 200 quantities at 546.70 level. I have shorted more 100 quantity. You can see here this order. So you can see, guys, first at 545 I shorted, and again averaged because I shorted it at low price. That's why I had to average the quantities at higher level. Now it is rejecting from the moving average. Guys, for my 100 quantities I have placed a target at 545.50, which I shorted at 546.70. Let's see if it's my target or not. Guys, ICICI Bank is trading at 545.70, and it has cleared the 100 quantities target of 545.50. Now I have 100 quantity left, and right now I am running in a profit of 700 rupees. You can see. Guys, time is 11:10 a.m. and I have booked a profit of 894 rupees today. I booked profit in ICICI at 543.70. Guys, time is 12:54 and I bought put option at 58.10 and I booked it at 60.50, and I have made total profit 1074.